Today we will be going over the organizational behavior analysis of Tavern in the Square. We are Team 401. I'm Alicia.
I'm Mike.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Madeline.
Tavern in the Square is a well-known restaurant chain located in the New England area. Guests can enjoy good food and drinks in a fun atmosphere. They have an extensive but affordable menu that levels up traditional American-style food with options for everyone. Tavern in the Square's journey began in 2004 by a group of friends who wanted to create a restaurant and bar that resonated with their community. Tavern in the Square provides a unique setting within the restaurant industry to explore various aspects of organizational behavior. The restaurant industry is known for its dynamic and fast-paced work environment, which presents various opportunities and challenges related to employee behavior, team dynamics, customer interactions, and more. With two members of our team working at this restaurant, Maddie and Emma, it allows us to optimize the amount of information we are able to get for this project. The industry of Tavern in the Square is hospitality and food service. They are a mid-sized restaurant with 14 locations across Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. First, for this project, we are focusing on the East Greenwich location located in Rhode Island. Our specific focus area is the full-service dining experience with an emphasis on American-style cuisine. It caters to a wide range of customers, including families, corporate events, and sports enthusiasts, aims to embody the New England spirit, and has a lively and casual atmosphere. Our OB Challenge has a topic of study of exploring employee motivation and engagement behind the scenes. We are examining dynamics of motivation and engagement and their impact on customer satisfaction and overall restaurant performance. Our OB Challenges focuses on how leadership styles, team dynamics, job satisfaction, and organizational culture, customer feedback, training, and development influence employee motivation and engagement. We will assess how these factors affect customer service quality and overall performance of the restaurant. Given the dynamic and fast-paced nature of the restaurant industry, this project seeks to explore how effective management can foster a positive work environment. For our team charter, our team name origin, Team 401, is inspired by the fact that all team members are from Rhode Island with the area code 401. Our core objective is to conduct a thorough analysis of Tavern in the Square's practices, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Our goal for this project is to provide insightful recommendations to enhance the organization's efficiency and effectiveness, focusing on key aspects of organizational behavior.
And the four of us in the team each have our own role. Maddie Almeida is our presentation coordinator, and her primary role is creating and structuring presentation, ensuring it's organized, coherent, and visually engaging. Some of her key responsibilities include designing and laying out the slides, coordinating flow and content of presentation, and ensuring all parts of the rubric are effectively communicated. Emma Sedate, our research coordinator, our primary role includes leading all research-related activities using direct connection with Tavern in the Square as an employee. Her key responsibilities include identifying and securing relevant sources, coordinating interviews and surveys with employees and management, and synthesizing research findings for team analysis. Alicia Bezois is the writer. Her primary role is documenting and communicating the team's findings and analysis in a clear and compelling manner. Her key responsibilities include writing detailed analysis and report sections, ensuring clarity and cohesion in all written material, crafting the narrative that threads through the presentation. I'm the project manager. My primary role is overseeing the project's overall progression, ensuring that the team adheres to the timelines and objectives. My key responsibilities include establishing and maintaining timelines and deadlines, coordinating with team meetings, and ensuring effective communication among members, resolving conflicts, and ensuring that each team member contributes effectively. Some of our roles and contributions, Maddie, the presentation coordinator, she contributes by assisting in the design and distribution of employee surveys, organizing and presenting the collected data in accessible format for the team. Alicia, she contributes by documenting and summarizing findings from interviews and surveys, reviewing news articles, and integrating relevant insights into the team's analysis. She also contributes by ensuring all research materials are effectively communicated. Emma contributes by leading the coordination of interviews, gathering and analyzing online materials related to Tavern on the Square, and collaborating with Maddie in survey distribution and collection. I contribute by overseeing all overall research progress to ensure methods are utilized effectively, facilitating team discussions and analysis of research findings, and ensuring research tasks are completed timely and efficiently. Some of our research methods include interviews, where we conduct interviews with employees and managers at Tavern on the Square to gain firsthand insights into organizational behavior and employee dynamics. Online materials, where we review the Tavern on the Square website and digital presence for company policies, culture, and customer feedback. And news articles, where we analyze relevant news articles and publications to understand the broader industry context of how Tavern positions itself within it. And in-depth employee surveys, where we design and distribute surveys to employees at Tavern on the Square, focusing on aspects like job satisfaction, team dynamics, and leadership styles.
Now we're going to be moving on to current state of affairs. Employee engagement levels with inconsistency. Some employees demonstrate high motivation and commitment, while others show signs of disengagement. Impact on performance. We have engagement levels with directly impact customer service quality, with highly engaged employees delivering better customer experiences. These root causes can be caused from recognition, workload, and management styles. Leadership styles, we have a variety of management approaches. Styles ranges from authoritative to participative, depending on the manager. Effect on employees can look as autocratic leadership results in lower employee morale and higher turnover. Democratic leadership correlates with higher job satisfaction and team cohesion. Need for consistency, a lack of uniformity in leadership can lead to confusion, inconsistency in employee experiences and expectations. Organizational culture and dynamics, culture of adaptability, emphasis on adapting to local community needs while maintaining a consistent brand experience. Employee-centric challenges, issues related to balancing the demands of a fast-paced environment with the need to maintain a positive employee-friendly work culture. Culture alignment and discrepancies, overall culture aligns with industry standards. Discrepancies in how this culture is experienced by employees at different levels impacts their sense of belonging and loyalty to the organization. And communication and team dynamics, communication issues, staff members report unclear or infrequent communication from management, creates uncertainties about expectations and objectives. Team cohesion versus disconnect, strong team bonds among frontline staff, notable disconnect in understanding and alignment with managerial decisions and organizational goals. Insights from interviews and research, communication gaps. Nature of gaps can be caused from communication from management was delayed or unclear regarding shift changes, policy updates, and feedback on performance. Impact on operation sometimes led to confusion on the floor, impacting service efficiency and employee morale. Perceived causes, some attributed these gaps to a fast-paced work environment and managerial oversight. Others felt it was due to a hierarchical structure that limits direct communication. Team dynamics, frontline staff cohesion, strong sense of camaraderie, and mutual support among servers, bartenders, and kitchen crew results in efficient teamwork during busy hours. Disconnect with management, noticeable divide in understanding and rapid rapport between staff members and management, attributed to perceived differences in workplace priorities and lack of regular informal interactions with managers. Job satisfaction factors, appreciation of flexibility, key factor in job satisfaction. Many employees appreciate the flexible scheduling, which allows them to balance work with personal commitments. Supportive environment, general atmosphere was described as supportive, with the employees often stepping in to help each other during busy shifts. Desire for professional development, employees desire more structured career advancement opportunities, expressing interest in training programs, mentorship opportunities, and clear career progression pathways. Feedback and recognition, employees express a need for more regular and constructive feedback on performance, along with recognition for their achievements and contributions.
Now we'll be applying organizational behavior concepts. So we'll start with leadership styles and their impact, autocratic versus democratic styles. In autocratic, decision-making centralized with managers, quicker decision-making but lower staff involvement and morale, and employees feel less valued and heard. In a democratic, higher levels of employee involvement in decision-making, fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility amongst staff, and a higher morale and collaborative environment. The effect on team dynamics includes autocratic led to more rigid, less communicative team. Democratic facilitated a more open, cooperative atmosphere. And this difference in leadership styles between managers creates divisions. The next application will be expectancy theory, which is an individual's motivation is influenced by the belief that effort will lead to performance, performance will lead to outcomes, and the value they place on these outcomes. So expectancy, employees may lack motivation if they believe no matter how hard they work, their efforts will not significantly improve their performance or are not recognized, particularly relevant in high-stress environments like restaurants. And enhancing training and clear communication about performance expectations can boost employees' belief in the connection between their effort and performance. Instrumentality, perception among employees that even if they perform well, the rewards are not guaranteed. Tavern would benefit from establishing more transparent and consistent reward systems to ensure employees feel their good performance will be reliably rewarded. Balance is the value employees place on rewards varies. Some may value career growth while others may value immediate monetary rewards or work-life balance. To enhance employees' motivation and understand these individual preferences and tailor rewards accordingly. By applying this theory to analyze employee motivation at Tavern in the Square, it's evident that enhancing clarity and consistency in the relationship between effort, performance, and reward can potentially improve employee motivation and job satisfaction. Next is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which is human needs are arranged in a hierarchy starting from basic physical needs to more complex psychological ones. Psychological needs at the bottom. Basic needs for survival, adequate wages to afford life's necessities, ensuring that employees are compensated fairly is crucial for satisfying this level. Safety needs includes physical safety and job security. Creating a safe work environment and providing job stability can address these needs, and especially important in the fluctuating hospitality industry. Love and belonging needs. Fostering a workplace environment that encourages friendships, teamwork, and a sense of belonging can satisfy these needs. Camaraderie along frontline staff at Tavern in the Square seems to fulfill this aspect effectively. Esteem needs involve the need for recognition, respect, and self-esteem. Providing opportunities that allow employees to feel competent and appreciated can meet these needs. Self-actualization needs, desire for personal growth and fulfilling one's potential. Opportunities for career advancement, professional development can fulfill these needs. The expressed desire for professional development opportunities at Tavern in the Square suggests a need to better address this top level of the hierarchy. By applying this theory to Tavern in the Square, we can better understand the different levels of employee needs, also how meeting these needs can lead to greater job satisfaction and motivation along with a more engaged and committed workforce. So some recommendations include addressing the communication gaps, which we could have structured communication channels, implementing regular and structured meetings between staff and management, which ensures clear, consistent communication. Clear goals and feedback increases employee motivation and job satisfaction. Some feedback systems introduce a system for employees to provide feedback and suggestions, fostering a two-way communication system that encourages employee voice, and it aligns with the democratic leadership styles. Enhancing team dynamics. With management engagement, it encourages managers to actively engage with all levels of staff. Bridging the gap between management and frontline workers can help align the team with organizational goals. Some team building activities, regular team building exercises to strengthen bonds between employees, enhancing cohesion and cooperation. This approach is supported by the concept of relatedness in the self-determination theory. Some more recommendations include goals and expectations. Specificity. Making sure goals and expectations are clear and specific, having a platform for clear expectations of employees, because vague expectations can lead to confusion and prevent and cause conflict. Measurability. Goals should be measurable so that progress can be tracked and evaluated, and it allows employees to understand their performance and make necessary adjustments. Recognizing and rewarding. Provide positive feedback. Regularly providing positive feedback to employees and recognizing their efforts. This creates stronger relationships between employees and managers. And career developmental opportunities. Recognize achievements by offering growth opportunities such as promotions or in the sense of service staff, table sections or schedules with more opportunity for greater income. And then these are our resources. Thank you.